Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Ben Gucci. So basically I make videos around make money online. That's what I do on this channel. Post videos that will help you to make money online through different business model. So if you are here to subscribe to my channel, please kindly click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so when I drop new videos you will get notified. Alright, in today's video we'll be talking about dropshipping. So basically, what is dropshipping? Dropshipping is a business model that allows you to market other people's product, which is you're hereby acting like a middleman. So when someone places order, when someone purchases that product through you, you said to the person with the initial price and keep the profit to yourself. So dropshipping is an order fulfillment method where a business doesn't keep the product it sells in stock. So that's basically what dropshipping is all about. Now a good example is if you come to this website called Jumia Nigeria, you see a handful of products, many varieties. So let me check. Okay, let me check this watch. Let's open it. All right, this is a good one with low price as well. This is 4,570 naira. It's a smartwatch, full touch screen for Android and iOS. So it serves both Android and iOS. You can tell that this is a hot product, as so to say. So and it's quite affordable. So the deal here, the main idea here is, as this product is sold for 4,570, you can take it to elsewhere and market it at 6,000 or 7,000. Then when someone purchases it, you sell to the person with this initial price of 4,570 and keep whatsoever thing you added on top and keep it to yourself, like keep the gain to yourself. That's the whole thing about dropshipping. So I'll be telling you places where you can market the product as we proceed with this video. Please make sure you don't jump any part of the video. This is a profitable business that's capable of making you a millionaire in a few times. It's not a get rich quick scheme, don't get me wrong, but it's a good product. It's a good business, sorry. Now, types of product to sell. Types of product. Let me refresh this page and give you an example. Basically, I love products that solve problem. Okay, example of such product is let me go up, let me scroll up. Let's say, let me say power bank. Okay, yeah, that's a good example for place where I am. Power bank, where is it? That's it, power banks. So let me tell you the reason why I chose this product. You see, in Nigeria we have power issue, we do have power outage oftentimes. So choosing a product like this solar charger, solar power bank is a good idea. I mean, it's a hot product in Nigeria. You can sell it, like it has good resale value. Okay, so if you check this product, it has 6,100 ratings from verified customers and it's quite affordable, 3,100 naira. So let's scroll down, let me show you something. This is just an example. I didn't say you should sell power banks, but there are many other products that has good resale value like this one. Okay, so this is it. Fast charging. Stop worrying about slow charge. You can 8 hours of full time, 8 hours USB full of electricity, and can use it for 3 times, like up to 3 times after charging it 100%. So you can tell that this many people are going to love it, considering the price is not bad for the price. So if you should take this product to where I'm going to show you, I'm sure you're gonna make massive profit, guys. Just copy the name and head over to where I'm going to show you right now. Now we have tackled types of product, where to find product, which I use Jumia as an example. Now how to source for hot product. Okay, now when I say product is a hot product, it doesn't mean it's about the temperature. I mean product that are in high demand. Okay, so where to source for hot product, those products that people need around you. product that has high resale value. So if you check on Jumia, you're going to see a handful of them, but there's another website too, like GG. Let's wait for it to load. GG Nigeria, but their own problem is they you can't really see the ratings of the product, but in Jumia you see the rating, you'll know if it's a good one, like based on the quality. But GG will help you build good relationship with the suppliers, because they will provide you with the suppliers phone number and all that. So what you do is you contact the suppliers. Let's check out this AirPod. This is a Bluetooth 5.0 Pro 3 AirPod. If you come down, like you can really see the supplier's number here. So that's one thing I don't like about GG, but it's fine. You can still make money here. You just place the order directly and you know make profit. Okay, I wanted to show you guys something on GG platform, but I think the website is down for now as at the time of this recording. I don't know why it's not loading up. But the whole idea is, I hope you got the message I'm trying to pass across to you. So the whole idea is, when you go to places like this, e-commerce websites like this, when you go there and discover all these cheap products by wholesale suppliers, then you contact them. You contact them, like inbox them and tell them what your plan is, get their contact and build good customer relationship. So you will be acting like a middleman. You help them market this product. So when people buy this product through you, the supplier keeps the original price, then whatsoever thing you added on top remains your own. So this is different from affiliate marketing. It's not affiliate marketing, this is dropshipping. Okay, it's a different business model entirely. Then this will take us to the next phase of this video. Like, as after this one, now you have seen types of products, where to find them, and how to source for the product. Now let's go to another phase of this video, where you have to do with where to market, how to market the product, and how to get it delivered to the consumers. All right, now where to market the product. To do this, you can use Facebook ads, Facebook Marketplace, Instagram ads, and WhatsApp story. Okay, in subsequent videos, I'll be uploading videos on how to run Facebook ads effectively, like with very low CPC. Okay, in subsequent videos, I'll show you how to run Facebook ads to deliver good results, like drive up to 1,000 visits to your website or to your page, 1,000 views on all that, with low amount, like very little amount. You can drive up to 10,000 views without even costing you up to 5,000 naira. I will show you guys how to do that. And Facebook and Instagram ads, I can tell you these two platforms, they convert very well, and Facebook is as well in favor of this kind of product, physical product. So you don't have to worry, your ads account are not going to be banned. Then to start, if you don't have money to spend on ads, it's understandable. You can start with these two free platforms. You can use Facebook Marketplace and use WhatsApp stories. Okay, post on your WhatsApp stories. And in more video, if you still want me to make video on that, how to get more WhatsApp contacts for your WhatsApp story, I can, for your WhatsApp status, where you post and market your goods, how to get more contact, I can make video on that. I have hacks on that, and you believe me, this works perfectly fine. And that's it. So these are the 4 platform, or should I say 3 platform, where you can market your product if you don't have website. Okay, a lot of people do this, even I myself. This is a good business. Like, it's not even easy revealing it to you, but I promise myself that I'm going to show you guys whatever I do to make money, because you guys are like my family here. All right, so now how to deliver the product to get to the final consumer. Basically, you can do this in 2 ways. Yes, You can do this either, like if you place the order on Jumia, it's either you allow them to deliver at their own time, or if the product is urgent, there's a way you can do this by yourself and get it delivered quickly. Now you can use either of these two. You can use logistics company, or you use what is it called, self-delivery agent. Okay, logistics company and self-delivery agent are two different things entirely. Okay, I'll tell you the reason. You see, the reason being that logistics company, they are registered company, they have reputation, and they can help you package your goods in terms, if you want to build a personal brand, both the packaging and all that, you are guaranteed and ensured that, like people that handle pay on delivery, you are sure that you get your money fast. Although I don't advise that, because when you're doing online business, you shouldn't do pay on delivery that much. I don't say you won't do sharp, but you shouldn't do it that much. Okay, but self-delivery, guys, you have to do a lot of work. Reason being that you have to find someone who you trust so much. However, you just need someone you trust, or someone you know that will deliver this thing for you and get your money back for you without having any issue. So that's the thing about delivery agents. But the good thing about them is that they can be fast in delivering your product. They will be very, very fast. They can deliver in hours or even minutes. They can deliver your goods depending on the location. But logistics company, they take their time to package the thing, but the price differs. You should take note of that as well. So it's up to you to choose. However, if it's a big product that like fridge or television or sensitive product, then I strongly recommend logistics company. Okay. So without this being said, I think I'll be stopping at this junction. See you in my next upload. Please share this video, give this video a thumb up if you like it, and as well comment if you don't know what to comment. Say thank you Ben Bucci, or you comment drop shipping. Okay, I'll be so grateful. This is the only way you help us. We dish a lot of knowledge here for free, and this is the only way, you just a kind of saying thank you to us. We don't get money from you by doing this. You don't pay us, no one pays us for making this video for you. Okay, you just appreciate us by liking this video and dropping a comment. And if if you have any video request, you can drop in the comment section. We'll be very happy. I'll be very, very happy to make that video for you. Okay, provided it's within this niche. All right, I'll be signing out now. Thanks a lot. I appreciate it.